Hello, Dr. Joe here of the drjoe.com and the 2020forum.com. Today, I've just got a quick announcement to make regarding two high blood pressure medications, and this is something that happened recently, so I want you to take notes of this if you're taking these two medications. So here we go. It's about this press release from the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, otherwise known as the MHRA. Now, the MHRA are the UK equivalent of the FDA in the US. And the MHRA are recalling contaminated batches of Irbesartan and also contaminated batches of losartan high blood pressure medications. Now, when we scroll down, the MHRA are telling us that they're recalling 31 batches of Irbesartan containing high blood pressure medications. If you are someone who is into wholesale, you know that 31 batches is a lot of medications. So 31 batches of Irbesartan containing medications and 2 batches of losartan containing high blood pressure medications. Why is that? Well, it's because those batches have been found to contain this hard to pronounce chemical, which in short is called azidomethyl biphenyl tetrazole. Okay. Now, this medication is a substance that potentially increases the risk of cancer over time. Okay, over time, not just from a single use. Over time, I need to emphasize that. So the MHRA are saying that this is a precautionary measure to prevent further exposure, which is the right thing to do. Okay, it is the right thing to do. However, this line here worries me a little bit, and it says this recall is for pharmacies and wholesalers and is not a patient level recall. That worries me a little bit. Why? Well, if we go onto this pharmaceutical services negotiating committee website, on this webpage of theirs, they're talking about this same recall of Irbesartan and losartan containing medications. Now, what they have done, what this pharmaceutical website have done is going to list most of the batches that are affected. Now, when we scroll down, we'll find that there are batches. Okay, this column here is for first distributed. There are batches that have been in circulation since the 9th of September 2019. Okay, you got lots here. This is another one, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2020. So you got lots. Now, when you have medications that have been in circulation since 2019, those medications are deep inside the community. And if they are that deep inside the community and you found them to be contaminated by a potentially cancer-causing agent, then I believe the recall should be at patient level. I know that the MHRA are trying not to sound alarmist, hence they're trying to make the recall subjected to the level of pharmacies and wholesalers. But I believe that's an error. It should be a patient level recall, if you ask me. That's my opinion. In any case, if you are taking any of these medications, Irbesartan or losartan containing medications, by the way, we use the word containing products in the sense that some of these medications, like losartan, they could be combined with other high blood pressure medications. So they equally will be affected. So if you're taking any of these, what should you do next? Now, before I tell you about what you should do next, I should say this. At this point in time, this problem is only affecting the United Kingdom. As far as I can tell, the problem is not affecting the US or Canada as we speak. But obviously, the dynamics can change anytime. And because these are ongoing problems with the sartan medications, I have to say, because I used to take valsartan before I came off medication, and I know that we did have problems with valsartan way back around the time I came off my medications. So that was 2018. So these are problems that have been going on for a while. And so this could change in the sense that North America could become affected. So keep your eyes peeled, okay? If I get wind of that, I'll let you guys know about it, okay? So, but at the moment, it's still a UK problem. So, if you are taking either losartan containing medication or Irbesartan containing medication, what should you do? Well, the first thing is, please do not panic, okay? Do not panic. There's no need for panic. But what you need to do is take your medication to either your pharmacist or your own doctor, and they will advise you on the next step to take, okay? So that's what you need to do. Do not stop taking your medications, okay? I should emphasize that. Do not stop taking your medications on your own. Just go see either your pharmacist or your doctor, and they will tell you what to do next. Now, another thing you could do is when you go see your doctor, by the way, because like I said earlier on, these sartan containing medications have been having problems with contamination for a while now, and also problems with supplies. I think something you could do is suggest to your doctor to see if he or she could provide you with a substitute, okay, in place of the sartan medications. They're supposed to be very good, but if they're going to be having problems with supply chain and contamination, then I'm not so sure it's a good idea to be on them in the long term. So if there are substitutes that can be offered to you, then I think that would be a reasonable thing to do. Just my view, okay? But like I said, please do not stop taking your medications. Go ahead, see your doctor or your pharmacist. But as for substitutes, you're better off seeing your doctor for that. The other thing I need to say here too is this. This also should be an impetus for you to take lifestyle measures seriously, such that you could come off your blood pressure medications at some point, okay, when the time is right. So, this is also something that should give you that motivational push for you to see if you could come off your medications. Of course, the 2020 forum is there. If you want my help, you can always join us there. So hopefully you found this video really helpful. I know it's just a public service video, but if you found it helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Please like the video. And also, if you got any questions regarding this recall or previous recalls, go ahead, leave your questions down below or comments down below. Okay, I think that's about it. Until next time, this is Dr. Joe signing out.